Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love sharing tips, tricks, and resources that can help you grow your business and improve your lifestyle. Today, I'm excited to talk about something that I think is a game changer if you're looking to start or grow an online business in the health and wellness niche. I'm talking about the Healthy Eating PLR Content Bundle. Now, if you're not familiar with what PLR or private label rights is, don't worry, I've got you covered. PLR content is pre-written material that you can rebrand, modify, and sell as your own. It's one of the quickest ways to create products without spending hours creating content from scratch. And this particular bundle? Well, it's one of the most comprehensive and valuable PLR packs I've come across in a while, and I can't wait to break it all down for you. This Healthy Eating PLR Content Bundle is packed with everything you need to kickstart your own health-focused business. It includes 4 high-quality eBooks, each focused on a different aspect of healthy eating, from Mediterranean diets to veganism. And the best part is, it's all ready for you to rebrand, repackage, and sell as your own. Let's dive into the first ebook, Mediterranean Mastery. Now, we all know the Mediterranean diet is one of the most popular and well-loved diets in the world. It focuses on fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. In this ebook, you get a deep dive into the principles of the Mediterranean diet. It's not just about eating healthy, it's about embracing a lifestyle. The ebook covers everything from nutritious Mediterranean recipes, like fresh salads and seafood dishes, to culinary techniques that will make you feel like a pro in the kitchen. Plus, it goes beyond food, touching on how exercise, mindfulness, and social connection all play a role in this healthy way of living. Next, we've got From Sea to Platter. This ebook takes inspiration from the Atlantic diet, which is all about including omega-3 rich fish and seafood in your meals. It's packed with scientifically proven benefits that are backed by research, things like improving heart health and boosting brain function. It also gives you practical tips on how to integrate the Atlantic diet into your life, with meal planning advice and easy-to-follow recipes. You'll even find inspiring success stories of people who have transformed their lives by adopting this diet. If you're someone who loves coastal cuisine or wants to learn more about eating for heart and brain health, this ebook is a fantastic resource. Then we have the Organic Essentials ebook. Organic food has become a major trend in recent years, and for good reason. This ebook explains the science behind why organic foods are not only better for your health, but also for the environment. It's packed with practical tips and recipes to help you seamlessly incorporate organic foods into your diet. Whether you're new to organic eating or already a seasoned pro, there are tons of insights that will help you take your organic lifestyle to the next level. And it doesn't stop there. This ebook also touches on other aspects of holistic living, like eco-friendly tips for your home and personal care, which I think is such a nice touch. And finally, there's From Carnivore to Herbivore. This ebook is all about veganism, and trust me, it's more than just a diet. It covers the health benefits of a plant-based lifestyle, from reducing the risk of chronic diseases to boosting your overall wellness. But it doesn't stop there. It also dives into the ethical and environmental aspects of veganism, helping you understand the impact of your food choices on the planet. Plus, it offers practical advice on everything from meal planning to stocking a vegan pantry, so you'll have everything you need to succeed on your plant-based journey. And if you're worried about the cost of a vegan diet, this ebook includes tips for eating plant-based on a budget, which is a huge help. Now, what makes this bundle stand out even more is that it comes with a full sales package for each ebook. That means you're not just getting the content, you're also getting ready-made sales pages, thank you pages, promotional banners, and professional product image graphics. All of these tools are designed to help you market and sell the ebooks quickly and easily. And with the fully rebrandable private label rights, you can tweak the content, change up the graphics, and make the bundle truly your own. If you've ever wanted to create your own digital products but didn't know where to start, this PLR bundle is an absolute dream come true. It saves you hours of work and tons of stress. Instead of having to create your own content from scratch, you get high-quality, ready-to-sell material that you can start using right away. And the best part? You can sell it for a profit. And the more you sell, the more money you make. But here's the catch. The price on this bundle is increasing with each sale. So if you want to grab it at the lowest possible price, you'll need to act fast. Trust me, this is a fantastic deal that could save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours if you were to try and create all of this content on your own. So if you're serious about starting your own health and wellness business or adding valuable content to your existing one, this Healthy Eating PLR content bundle is definitely worth checking out. I think you'll be amazed at how quickly you can get started and how much value you're getting for the price. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think about the PLR bundle. I'll catch you in the next one.